Looking for a reliable, Powerhouse projector to elevate your presentations? Meet the Apollo 3000 Lumen Open-Head Overhead Projector. Boasting an impressive 3000 lumen light output, this tabletop projector is designed to shine in medium-sized conference and meeting rooms accommodating 50 to 100 people. Its open-head design, coupled with a double Fresnel lens, ensures impeccable edge-to-edge sharpness and brightness, guaranteeing your visuals pop with clarity. One standout feature of this projector is its 11.25 by 11.25 inch stage glass, allowing seamless utilization of transparencies from edge to edge. Whether you're showcasing complex diagrams or detailed data, rest assured every detail will be crystal clear. Additionally, its lightweight and portable design make it a breeze to transport from one meeting room to another, ensuring you're always ready to deliver a stellar presentation. Ideal for various settings, including education, home cinema, and business, the Apollo 3000 Lumen Open-Head Overhead Projector offers versatility without compromising on performance. Say goodbye to dim, lackluster presentations and hello to a dynamic visual experience that captivates your audience every time. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.